We don't have. Oh,
Yeah, there's like a whole thing over
you
there.
videotaping him?
Yeah, I am. It's amazing to me.
Got 6 seconds.
There's like a whole packet over there that's not even open yet. You can open it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you gonna like watch this later so you can try to figure it out, or?
I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I just really want to have it on videotape.
Speed it up. Like, take it and then, like, video and speed it up. Instead of, like, 2 minutes, do it, like, 10 seconds. What?
Just fucking crazy.
You can do it without looking, too. Sometimes. Who was it?
You can solve a Rubik's Cube in record time. I can beat people in Pokemon in record time. Yeah.
I don't know why that seems less impressive.
What's a what?
He said he could beat people at Pokemon in record time.
Oh, Pokemon.
What would take longer, for Tanner to solve a Rubik's Cube or me to convince someone that I'm Scottish? I'd say they take equal amounts of time.
Well, it depends. Can you fake the accent?
Aye.
Do it.
Again, lassie.